Incentives are hot here in Nocatee. Here is one of their ready now homes that they have that they're trying to offer at a killer price, and I bet I can get you more. Let's take a tour. Okay, let's be honest, maybe this floor plan isn't for you, but did you know that my channel, I actually show a bunch of different floor plans here in the Northeast Florida area, as well as talk about incentives, what it's like living here, because I'm a local myself and I want to help your family build roots. So if you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe and you'll see more content just like this, and maybe I'll make you laugh along the way, hopefully. But let's go upstairs and see more. One big thing about this floor plan is it has so much natural light no matter where I walk. So this is the office area from someone who does video all day, as you could imagine. Natural light's huge to me, and these rooms are so bright because of the windows. So this is the front room, super bright in here. Love that. Also, I love that they already have lights in here. I hate when you go to new construction and it's just a little cap for you to eventually put something on. Now these are pre-wired as well, so if you want to add one in. I will say honestly about the second bedroom, it is a little bit tight. Just complete honesty. So this second one that's next to the front one feels a little bit tighter than the first one. You do have the off bath right here. Let's go this way. Then this chef's kitchen is definitely chef's kiss. I think they have a lot of great options. I hate when they make very big design choices. Bold design choices is the nice way to say it. It just like the weird backsplash that would have like this weird accent thing going on. No one's here for it, okay? No one's here for it, builders. But I do like when the microwave is built in. I hate when they're over stoves. I don't know how you guys feel about that, but I feel like it's a little like cheap looking over the stove. And also, where's it ventilating to? Because top of my ceiling, it's not ventilated. It's crazy. Let's see your pantry. Look at this snack in a pantry. But no, seriously, this is a big, a little actual walk-in pantry. So if you got kiddos who are snack attacks, one, I could show you a link for a door lock because my daughter eats snacks all the time. She has figured it out. We'll figure that out later. But again, still so much natural light. It's an overcast day right now. So it's not like super bright or super sunny outside. It's an overcast day, but there's so many windows in this floor plan and I love it. Another thing I really like is I do like this his and her sink. I lived in a house where we only had one sink. It was absolutely miserable. And even now we have a his and her sink, and I still think it should just be a mine and mine sink. Shower's a great size. I love when they have enough distance between the shower and like to get out, because I just feel like it's just this awkward in between. But here's one thing that I do like that a lot of builders do. I don't know if you guys have seen this, but like the shower to turn on right here, so I won't get freezing cold. Mine, I do. To get the water turned on, so you don't have to get soaking wet with the ice cold water before. Unless you like something like that. Instead, then you should do one of those ice bath things. That's cool. And I can't express to you how bad my husband and I need this part. So this walks into the closet, okay? Then, there's more, walks into the laundry room. Do you know how many things I'd probably do my laundry faster if I didn't have to leave my master bedroom? Just saying. And also, walks into my kitchen so I can have a snack and I wouldn't be caught because you'd say, I'm just gonna use the restroom, and I go get a snack instead. Now, one of my personal favorite things about this floor plan is the fact that we have this entire bonus room. This is huge. One thing, like say you need an extra bedroom or something like that, why don't you just close this off behind me? Then you almost have like an in-law suite upstairs, so then you can have an additional bedroom, because it comes with 3 and an office, which you can convert the office all the time, every day. But if you need a little bit extra space and you're on budget and you want to be in Nocatee, this is a great option to close that off. Also, look at this. Because I know you Northerners miss your basements. This is all light. Look at the storage. Your Christmas tree can go there. Wild. But it is a lot of extra storage, which is nice. And it's nice that it's actually finished in here. 10 out of 10. Now, one big thing to mention is this is a rear entry home. So what do I mean by that? Some people may call them alley homes, but basically your garage is not in front of you. If you didn't notice that from the beginning of the video, you obviously did not see a garage in the front. Well, it's actually in the back. So you'd be entering in from a back road. This one behind me, and we actually have some people doing some yard work today. But you have this back road where you can access your garage. Let's go over to your garage real fast. So your garage is actually, you go outside to access it. So we're gonna go inside the garage. In standard garage here, they're not doing the epoxy flooring or anything like that. That's an upcharge when it comes to new construction. But you do have a nice size 2-car garage. This is only 2-car, it's not tandem. So if you do have your golf cart, keep that in mind. I know a lot of Northerners think that they're gonna park in their garage. You're not. Locals don't, we don't, like, we just assume it's just for storage. This is our basement, if you guys are curious. When I tell you they're trying to move this property, they're trying to move this property. Like literally, I went into Danielle, she's like, oh my gosh, Demi, we need to sell this. Do you guys know how much negotiation power we have? Do you know how much money I can save you? This could be an investment property for you. This could be a great starter home. This could be a great downgrading home. If you have a family member, you live in Nocatee or want to live in Nocatee, and your family, your parents need one, and you need a game room for the kids, this is it. Or if you're like, I need a starter home in Nocatee, here we go. This is it. We can negotiate a killer deal with this. The fact that they're wanting to push it. And by the way, proximity wise, because we're in Seabrook Village, you're very close to the brand new school that will be opening up next fall. 10 out of 10. Also, you are so close, like walking distance to the Seabrook Village pool. So that means you'll have this amenity right at your fingertips as well. Oh my gosh, I can keep going all day. As well as you have that quick cart path that I told you guys about, the shortcut, it's open. We're gonna do a video on that too. But that cart path is now open, so then you have quick access again to the amenities, to the shopping, to other neighborhoods, because your kids will meet tons of friends and so will you. But this is a great property and we can get it at a great price. Let me know. Now this is just one ready now home compared to quite a few that they have on the market right now. And as you've already seen in a previous video, that incentive season is here. And so finally, the ball is in your court, buyers, especially during this time of year. So if you're looking to get the best deal as possible here in Northeast Florida, we should probably have a conversation. But until next time, and until you actually get out your phone, call me, text me, do it. I'm gonna answer, I promise. It's my phone, I get on the line. But call me, text me, and I'm just here to help becoming local a little bit easier, as well as save you money along the way. See you next time.